Hello friends, and welcome to Cloud9 Workshop. In our last video, we were talking about making t-shirt string. We took a shirt that was no longer useful to us and we decided to transform it into a ball of string. But the question now becomes what to do with all of this string that we've made. Now of course you can use t-shirt string for anything you'd use normal string for, but there are some other projects that where t-shirt string comes in very handy. I'm going to share a few with you, but you might also come up with some on your own. Now on my tray here, I have several ideas, and one of them being that t-shirt loop. So if instead of making a ball of string, you happen to make a loop, you can certainly turn it into a game of cat's cradle. And I bet if you show any grown-up in your home, they will remember how to play with cat's cradle. Another one you might see on here is one that's braided. Any thoughts on what this might be? Well, it's for a furry friend, and it's a dog toy made out of all colors of t-shirt string. The next one is that, does this look familiar? It's all of those pot holder weaving tools that you can use. Well, you can actually make them out of t-shirt string. Any weavers or crocheters, you can use t-shirt string to knit or crochet. It does get a little thicker depending on what size you cut your t-shirt, but you can certainly use it for that application. You can get pretty fancy with your braiding, or you can stick to some more traditional kinds and make all kinds of colors, maybe 3 colors, maybe stick with single colors. You can make them for yourself, for your family, for your friends. And here, this one was made out of straw weaving, or how about one of our favorites, finger weaving. And in this one, we did no weaving or braiding at all. We just wrapped it around, tied a knot, and I happen to like this one as well. And look at that, you could combine all kinds of styles. Now, here's to show you a few ideas. We have our traditional 3-string braiding, and of course you braid by one over the other, just like you would if you're doing someone's hair. But the other one, this one can be kind of tricky if it's just you braiding. Of course you could pin this to something, but I'm going to show you another technique that's a little easier if you're working on your own. So all you do is you take a piece of string, of your t-shirt string, you're going to make a loop, you're going to make a slip knot. So you start by making a loop, and then where it's crossing over, you're going to fold that circle over. So again, I fold it over, and you see this line? I'm going to pull that straight up. Okay? And now I have a slip knot, and what that means is if I pull one of the ends, it gets smaller, but then I can make it bigger, and smaller, and bigger, and smaller. You get the idea. And now you're going to take that loop, put it over my long piece, and pull. And we're going to repeat it again. Take the loop, put it over that long piece, and pull. Just make it a little smaller, and pull, smaller. At first, it feels like a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you'll start to pick up some speed, and your stitches will get more even, and away you go. Now you can keep going, and once it's to the size that you like, you'll need to end it. Now what could you use these for? Of course these could be bracelets. Maybe it's a tassel on a bag or a notebook. Okay, I'm going to see. I think this is looking a bit right. I think so. So here's how we end it. We take that loop, we put it through, and this time we pull it all the way in through and give it a little tug. And there we are. Your very own t-shirt string bracelet. I hope you enjoyed our projects today, and I'm sure you have a lot of great ideas. Thanks so much for watching.